In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to Binance. So this is actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Binance and then go at the very bottom right where it says Assets. And then at the top, it says Spot. So we have Overview and Spot. So anywhere you are, doesn't really matter. You want to tap on Add Funds at the very top. So the yellow button, it says Add Funds. And then over here, you have to select the deposit method. Now tap on on-chain deposit, which should be the first one on the list. And then over here, you want to search for Ton. So we're depositing Toncoin, search for Ton. There we go, Toncoin, tap on it. And from here, you'll have to choose a network. Now, the open network is the only one available, so tap on that. And then over here, you will see the important message. Both a memo/tag and an address are required to successfully deposit your assets to Binance. So tap OK. And then once you have this, we now have to go to our Tonkeeper wallet. So open up your Tonkeeper wallet, and then inside the Tonkeeper wallet, tap on Send, and then address or name should be pasted in here. Okay, so then go back to Binance, and as you can see over here, it says deposit address, copy it, and then go back to Tonkeeper wallet, paste it in here, and then you will have to basically type in the amount. So let's say you want to do like 10 or whatever you want to do. Of course, you must have a sufficient balance, which currently I do not, and make sure you have Ton selected. After you do this, it says required comment. Now this is basically your memo. So over here it says Ton memo. Now click on copy next to that as well. Go back to your Tonkeeper wallet, paste this in here. So paste in the memo, just tap on that box like this and then paste that in, and then there we go. This, as you can see, was your required Ton memo or comment. After you do this, as I said, paste in the amount, press continue, and if you have sufficient funds or sufficient balance of Ton on your wallet, you'll then be able to confirm the transaction and send your Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to Binance. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.